guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nina. If you're new here, please subscribe and join the family. Today I did a get ready with me, just my go-to everyday go-to makeup, just an updated one. A few people did ask me, so I'll show you how to do this. And also this video is in collaboration with Ana Luisa. They kindly gifted me out a few pieces. I am actually wearing the little love hearts right now. These little love heart earrings, they're just so cute. Absolutely obsessed. They did also send me these gorgeous mother of pearl ones, so yeah, do check out their link in the description. I'll put my link in the description box down below for you to get 25% off. Do have a little look. They have gorgeous little necklaces, bracelets, perfect time for Christmas coming up. Do ignore my skin at the minute, a few breakouts, and my face is shiny because I just put my moisturizer on. I put Ole Henriksen vitamin C brightening things. I just put that on, and I have already done my brows, so if I look a bit weird it's because I've already done my brows. So today I am collaborating with Ana Luisa, and they kindly did gift me out 2 little pieces to show in this video, so thank you to them for reaching out and working with me in this video. This video is kindly sponsored by them, so thank you so much. So I got 2 little pieces of jewellery in these little gorgeous little covers, which are so handy for traveling if you need to like bring jewellery anywhere. So the first thing I got was this little pair of earrings. They are like mother of pearl little flower earrings. They're just so cute, so dainty, and they're like a dupe for the designer ones. They do also have these in green. I think the green were also gorgeous, but I think they were out of stock, so I just got these mother of pearl ones. They're just so cute. And then I also got a different pair of earrings in this one. These ones are so cute. They're like little dangly like love pins. They're like little charms, like little love heart. Like they're like a padlock but also a pin at the same time. I just think they're so cute, and because they're dangly, they're just so cute and dainty. And these are 14 karat gold. They're absolutely gorgeous, and I just love how it's just simple cute packaging. I think I might wear the dangly ones. They are just so cute. I will leave a link to the website and the things I got in my description bar, so if you want to have a look, just click the link in the description bar. They're so cute. And they're so easy to like clasp in because they're like literally like little safety pins. But oh my god, they're so cute. I'm in love. Those are the earrings. But yeah, I'll save these ones for another day because they're just so cute. I love the little iridescent like mother of pearl. Absolutely love. The shipping was really quick with them as well, so if you want to order before Christmas. So I will leave my link down below in the description bar, and you can get 25% off the sales on the website, so do have a look. Perfect little gift for Christmas. So I've already done my eyebrows with like my soap brow and this Maybelline eyebrow pencil in black brown. So I'm going to use some of my iconic London drops. My face is a bit red now. I'm going to use this NARS foundation in Stromboli. Hopefully it matches my face. I feel like this is a bit too yellow sometimes. I need to get a new shade, but once everything's on it blends out fine. Just obviously when I first put it on it's quite yellow toned. So don't be frightened. I'm just gonna blend this out with my beauty blender. But I rarely wear makeup anymore, to be honest. I usually just put this Bare Minerals powder on my face and go to work. But on my like days off, or if I'm doing something, I'll wear makeup. So I'm just using some of this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, 02 Nude. And then I use this Burberry, I think it's a foundation stick, but I use it in the shade number 66 Deep Brown, but I use it to contour. I feel like people don't really watch makeup tutorials that much anymore, but then a few people still ask me how I do my makeup, so I mean, this video is for you guys. This is just like my updated go-to, whether I'm going out, whether I'm just doing some errands. This is literally my go-to makeup. And then I use the Collection Lasting Perfection concealer in Wan Fair. I'll leave links down below to everything. But yeah, I'm getting my hair done this week and I actually can't wait. Sorry if you can hear the wind. There's like a storm right now. It's my day off, so I just thought might as well sit, chill, film, do a bit of makeup. Because I tried to film this makeup the other day, except the camera, it was just like really dark in my room because I didn't use my ring light. Obviously because we're coming into winter now, it just kept getting darker and darker and darker. So I just thought I'd redo it. And I won't upload that one. I was going in with these cream blushes by Max Factor. I don't think they do them anymore, I'm not sure, but I just mixed them together and just like stippled them on my cheeks. But yeah, I was saying I'm getting my hair done this week and I actually can't wait. I mean, my hair's not bad. I want to be a bit more blonde again for Christmas, like bright. But I did just put a Olaplex treatment on it, get it to its best shape before I get it bleached. Because I feel like my root grows out, yeah, but I just feel like my hair actually never grows in length. It just grows and then it snaps off, which is really annoying because if you know me, I actually used to have really, really long hair, like down past my ass. I miss it so much. And then I cut my hair into like a short blunt bob, and to be completely honest, I hated it. It just didn't suit me. Like, I mean, it was a nice cut, it was a nice shade, just not for me. I just don't think short hair is for me. And I've been debating maybe get some extensions, but I feel like it's just gonna damage my hair more, and I've got this far with it that I just feel like maybe just invest in some nice clip-ins to match like the shade, my shade, once I get it done. But I don't know, long process. And then I'm going to use this number 7 translucent powder. I've kind of been missing my eyelash extensions, but also at the same time I'm loving like just my natural lashes and my brown eyeliner, what I've been doing recently. So it's like I can never make up my mind on most things. I'm very indecisive. I don't know if that's just because I'm a Gemini, but I can never make up my mind. Like, I'll go into the shop and I'm like, what drink do I want? And I'll be standing there for 10 minutes not knowing what drink to get. Or if I'm like buying clothes, I'm like, will I get the black one? Or will I get the beige one? Will I get the blue? Or will I get the pink one? It's just, I don't know, I'm just too indecisive for most things. I'm just setting my face with this Kiko Milano powder in WR90. I just pop this all over my face. And then I go in with this Laura Geller Baked Soft Matte Baked Bronzer. This Soft Matte Baked Bronzer in Deep. I just put this through my crease, like, just barely. Is everyone in the Christmas spirit yet? I'm not really in the mood yet. I don't know if it's just because I'm not at home this year, like with my family, because obviously I moved out, so I haven't, like, you know, put the Christmas tree up, or but I'm just gonna wipe this bake away. But yeah, I'm just not in the Christmas spirit yet. I mean, I don't know, I'm not really into Christmas. Not that like I'm a Grinch or a Scrooge, but each to their own. I just like the dinner, Christmas dinner. But yeah, I just don't feel Christmassy yet. I haven't done any Christmas shopping yet. Like, I've been sick the past like week, so I just haven't really been in the mood. So I just get this bronzer again and just put it on the perimeters of my face. Obviously it's not COVID, I just had like tonsillitis and a chest infection or something. It's that time of the year where everyone's like sick. Like my whole family had it, I had it. And then I go in with this Kiko Milano blush in the shade Smart. It's just this gorgeous pink peachy shade. I think I literally got this for like €2-3. And I just put this on the apples of my cheeks. I have blue nails at the minute. Can't wait to just get a red set for Christmas. I'm feeling red. Probably just plain, because I'm just quite plain Jane with my nails. Maybe I'll get to the sparkle. Maybe. We'll see. I can't wait to just get my hair done, get the red nails, then maybe I'll feel a bit more Christmassy, but at the minute I don't. But I haven't started any Christmas shopping either, so I mean maybe once I start all that, I will. I can't wait for Christmas dinner. Telling people that I'm your queen. I still use my trusty contour kit. I need to buy refills because I've hit pan on these two. I'm not sure where you buy them refills, but I need to get some. I'm so in the mood to play music, but I can't because I'll get copyrighted. I really hope we don't go back into lockdown. I mean, if we do, hopefully it's just like a week or two, but I think like the pubs are like back closing really early. I really need to like go through my makeup drawer and like declutter it all because I don't use half of it, to be honest. My camera keeps cutting out, it's so annoying. But I need to get a new memory card. Okay, and then I do my little brown eyeliner, which there's no name on this. I don't know where it's from. It's like semi-permanent makeup brown liquid liner in mocha. It's just like a felt tip pen. The only thing is, like say I take my makeup off tonight, it leaves like a pink stain. So I need to invest in just a normal brown eyeliner. But I mean, it does the job for now. I never really thought eyeliner suited me, but I think I was always just doing it wrong because I kind of have like slightly hooded eyelids, so I have to just be careful when I do them. I have this in purple and I actually thought it was my purple one there for a second. I mean, it might as well be purple because it stains my eyelid pink. Okay, it's just a lot bigger today. Usually I do like a tiny, skinny, flat line instead of big fat triangles. I keep coughing and then I'm getting watery eyes. I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes and use this Maybelline. And then I use this Laura Geller highlighter in Gilded Honey. So that's pretty much as I do with my makeup. And then I'm using this MAC Oak lip liner. I switch out my lip liners and my lipsticks like most days. Just whatever one's quickest at hand, I use. And that's pretty much it. And then sometimes I put lip gloss on, which I might today. This is just the Essence lip gloss. It was clear, but yeah, that's it for just my simple makeup. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to check out the link in the description box for the cute little earrings I'm wearing by Ana Luisa. I'm sure you guys will love the website. They have gorgeous necklaces, bracelets, rings. They're all absolutely stunning. So do have a look at their website. I will leave the links down below in the description and will save you 25% off if you use my link. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to Ana Luisa for working with me in this video. It means a lot. Gorgeous pieces, absolutely stunning. They're just so cute. Absolutely in love. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do give me a like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.